Watch out for that.
Super cold. Woo! Like in the freezer. Hi there! I'm sharing with you the part 2 of our hiking galore here in Chamonix, particularly here in Bellevue, going to La Chatte and going up there. So this is how tricky, but the view, guys, is really beautiful. Look at my hubby up there. He's already there waiting for me. Nakakita na naman ako ng bunch of wildflower again. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Tapos tingnan nyo how elevated dyan. Ayan. Let's go! Lots of wildflower, huh? Oh, the view down. Ang ganda, tignan sa baba. Oh, here, Joe.
Mm-hmm.
Grabe. So high. So, ayan guys, continue pa rin tayo sa ating paglalakad. Tanghaling tapat na to guys. So, nag-start kami mga 10. So, mga 1 o'clock or nearly 2 na to. So, ayan, ang ganda lang talaga ng view. Very tricky siya, pero i-follow mo lang talaga yung daan, guys, para hindi ka mawala or ma-wrong turn, charit. Ayan, drink tayo ng water. And dahil malinis naman yung water, we don't need a filter. So, ayan. Look so near sa ating mata at sa camera, pero sobrang layo pa yan, guys. So, super. It's pink and blue. Look. Super. Look there. There. Oh my goodness. I cannot. Tignan nyo ang glacier, guys. Ang ganda lang. Yung white na yan, guys, yung grayish. Mga 500 years old na daw yan ng mga ice, sabi ni Habi. Kaya glacier yung tawag. Ayan tayo. Sobrang slow maglakad. Very clear. Ano na kasi yan dyan, guys, yung grabe. Sobrang tricky. As in, tignan nyo yung mga tao dun. Sa taas, tignan nyo. As in, very cold.
Hold on to make video with my phone also here.
The glacier. A glimpse. Because we cannot touch it. We are still far. Pero sa mata namin, sobrang lapit na niya. Yung formation, ang ganda. Look, guys, ang ganda ng view, diba? Slopey siya, or ayan, yung ice na hindi talaga nag-melt. Sobrang thick niyan. As in. So, guys, actually, marami tayong nadaanan na falls or yung stream ng water or like that, oh. Ano yan? Melted snow. So, ayan. Yung water na
To
yun.
me? Oh. You see? But I am like the... Hannah, let's go there. Ah, okay, look, the people they are up there, Joe. I think there is a way, eh? I go to see.
Yeah, go and see. Wow. It It's very very cold here now, guys, because we are very like very close to that glacier, and it's extremely cold. Very high.
Not in the snow, of course.
So guys, mga nearly 1 hour yata tayo nakaupo doon while watching sa facing sa glacier, and now sinundan ko na si Habi dito sa taas, guys, and it takes nearly 2 hours, guys, yung pag-akyat ko doon, pagsunod ko kay Habi, dahil sobrang tricky talaga. Grabe. Tinawag ko na si Lord na tulungan ako na hindi ako malaglag, dahil pag nalaglag ka siguradong deads, dahil yung mga rock din is very yung talinis, matulis. There. Wow. I want to sit down. Although we did not reach there, but it's very close to our eyes. It's like one touch away. But hey, many hours more to go until we reach there. Marami pang kamang-kamang na mangyayari. Nagkamang-kamang namang galit ko padulong diri. Ang taon na lang, no, pag maabot pa dito. Woo! Super. I'm happy already reaching here. I can't ask for more. The rock formation is nice, huh?